The cybercrime business is thriving, and it has proven lucrative to the threat actors as a major revenue stream. This fact underlines all the sophistication we are seeing in modern attacks. With remote work, cloud adoption, and digitization initiatives, the attack surface has significantly expanded. Hence, for example, our latest acquisition at CrowdStrike was for an external attack surface management solution. We at CrowdStrike have been consistently sponsoring and participating in ITWeb Security Summit. This year, we are proud participants in the Johannesburg edition. We would not miss a chance to benefit from one of the best cybersecurity platforms in South Africa to connect face-to-face with our customers, prospects, and partners. The new digital infrastructure of tomorrow does not look like the traditional data center architecture with firewall appliances and proxy appliances. When we talk to our customers who are embarking on this transformation journey, they want to learn about how to adopt and implement a zero-trust architecture by design, how to secure applications and identity stores, and most importantly, how to understand their digital exposure and deploy threat hunting across. This would be the major theme of our conversation at ITWeb Security Summit. This 2023 edition is taking place in Sandton Convention Center on June 6th and 7th, with workshops on the 8th. Please make sure to sign up and find us in the venue. We look forward to our conversations around how we can help you become more secure. See you at ITWeb Security Summit 2023.